Hello guys, we are on our way to Khudoi Falls, which is in Sotikur, Mairang, West Khasi Hills District. It's an update a bit more. It's a pleasant weather, it's a beautiful sunny day, and we're heading there. Bye, see you. Cầm chân ai chút bác không?
Kajuk bagi yang.
Cầm chân ai chút mà?
Oh iya sebab dia. Open ada besar hak bawah. Pantu mah QR code.
Mua bà? Cái này mà? Ở cái Atlay mà? Có mang Falls bạc Khudoi. Cái chân ai nakaway? Nakaway jaka, cái chân ai? Dạ đó nè. Này mà? Penipi. Ya. Oh, kalau jengai mah kok mang? Nani mau kalat kali? Kalat kebat mau kalat paham ah? Tapi tak biang hair ni. Dah, mulai lah, aku boleh pergi rumah. Dah. Khudoi to the left and Amang Falls to the right. Mokong. Chalo, let's go. Waterfalls. Here, see, that's the one. So for my GoPro, it won't be visible because it's too quite far away that side. Khudoi Falls. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, such a big, heavy waterfall. Come, yak nile. Friends, people, ladies and gentlemen, Khudoi Falls is done. Now we're climbing up again. It's an easy trek, just 20 minutes of going down, climbing up, so it's fine. We thought of having food there, but then we'll have up there, almost there. Enjoy. Friends, we're having lunch here right now. It's 3:45, and after this we'll head back. Still a long way home. And have a good day, have a good night. See you next time. Ma.
Ma, Alex, bye. Ma. Bye bye.